Section 7. We are now going to make words using the sound families we have learnt. Like the sound ba, if I add the letter g, I make a word bag. We are going to watch a video with more words. Let's make words using the sounds we have learned. Say the sounds and words after me. B, ba, g, bag. B, g, big. B, g, big. Ba, g, bog. Ba, g, bag. Cat, cat. Ca, cot. Ca, cat. D, da, d, dad. De, n, den. Di, d, did. Da, t, dot. Da, g, dag. Fa, n, fan. Fe, d, fed. Fi, n, fin. Fa, g, fog. Fa, n, fan. G, ga, gap. Ge, t, get. Gi, g, gig. Ga, t, got. Ga, n, gun. Well done. Give yourself a hug. Now that you have watched the video, I want you to go to page 10 in your book and see if you can read the words on the page on your own. If you cannot read a word, go back and watch the video again. Now go to Classroom 3, Section 8.